Most financial advisors tell you the same thing: save for years, grind for a 20% down payment, wait until you're ready. They're wrong. While everyone else is waiting, the smartest investors are using a loophole called house hacking. Using a 3.5% FHA loan, I stopped saving and started owning. Better yet, I lived for free for 2 straight years. I didn't have a massive inheritance or a high 6-figure salary. I just stopped following the outdated rules and started using the system to my advantage. I've turned a primary residence into a cash-flowing asset without the typical financial struggle. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint to do the same. We are covering how to find the right property, how to navigate FHA loans, and the secret to getting your tenants to pay your entire mortgage. If you have a decent credit score and a small amount of capital, you can stop dreaming about passive income and actually start building it today. Let's dive in. Most people follow the standard advice: save 20%, put it in a high-yield savings account, wait 5, maybe 10 years. But here is the cold, hard truth. While you're saving, the market is moving. By the time you finally hit your goal, the house you wanted just jumped another 50K or 100K. You're running a race where the finish line is being pushed back every single month. It's called the savings trap. You're trading your best years, your high-energy years, for a savings account that barely keeps up with inflation. Meanwhile, your landlord is getting richer off your monthly rent. You're paying someone else's mortgage. You're building their asterisk equity. And the worst part, you're told this is the safe way to do it. But there is nothing safe about staying in a rental market designed to keep you stuck. You feel it, right? That feeling that home ownership is a club reserved for people who already have money. But what if the safe way is actually the slowest way to wealth? What if you could stop saving and start owning right now? The secret is called house hacking. It sounds like a complex strategy, but it's actually a simple cheat code. You buy a property, live in one part, and rent out the rest. Most people think you need a massive pile of cash to start. They're stuck in the 20% down payment mindset. Here is the blueprint. Step 1, the FHA loan. FHA loans are designed for first-time buyers. They allow you to put down as little as 3.5%. Do the math. That is the difference between saving for 5 years or owning a cash-flowing asset today. Step 2, find the right asset. You aren't shopping for your dream home. You're shopping for a business. Look for duplexes, triplexes, or even a single-family home with a finished basement or a backyard ADU. The key is separate entrances. Your tenants want privacy, and so do you. Step 3, the live for free maths. If your mortgage is $2,200 and your tenants pay you $2,400, your housing cost is $0. Actually, you're making $200 a month in profit while someone else pays off your debt. This is how you build wealth while you sleep. But here is the reality check. You can't do this with a 500 credit score. To get the best FHA rates, your credit needs to be dialed in. If you're not there yet, don't wait. Use a credit repair service to optimize your score now so you're ready when the right deal hits the market. I've put a recommendation in the description below. Step 4, professional management. Once you close, don't wing it. Being a landlord is a job. Use real estate investment software to track your expenses and screen your tenants. One bad tenant can turn your dream into a nightmare. Automate your rent collection and keep your records clean. By following this blueprint, you stop being a consumer of housing and start becoming a provider of it. So that's the blueprint. I didn't spend 5 years saving $50,000. I used a 3.5% down payment and let my roommates pay the mortgage. The result? I lived for free for 24 months. That is 2 years of rent going straight into my investment account. But look, this only works if your credit is locked in. If your score is holding you back from that FHA loan, check out the credit repair service linked in the description. They'll help you optimize your score to snag the lowest possible rates. Also, to avoid overpaying, I use this investment software to analyze cash flow in seconds. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The market doesn't wait for savers. Hit subscribe to master your passive income journey and use the mortgage comparison tool below to find your lender. Stop renting. Start owning. I'll see you in the next one.